Lahat na yun. Lahat na. Ganon din lang. Pag bibili kayo ng dreams at dipaw, 1.5 yun ata, 1.5.
1.3 lang na mayroon sa amin. Ito, spray rin na. Ito si spray para panday.
Yes, sir.
Install.
Ako sanang sasama, kaya lang walang pang-register. Saka hindi nakakondisyon.
Install siya eh. Kami short kami.
Ay, sa...
Iba ba kami ng... Oo, nasa ibang matega. Lumalaban na ba siya dati? Lumalaban na siya dati?
Hindi pa, ngayon lang. Sa kwan, sa Bikini Open.
Pwede bang mag-bikini open ang picture?
Pwede naman, sir.
Ha?
Pwede naman.
Hindi ata. Hindi ba walang bawal sa...
Walang bawal.
Saan madalas may bikini open? Hindi naman bawal, no? Basta hindi naman yung masyadong... Yung iba kasi parang birdie na lang yung natatakpan dito.
Oo, ganyan.
Yung mga ganyan lang.
Oo.
Ang bikini open na rin ako. Picture ko. Kaya lang parang tanong ko yung kung pwede baka may something na hindi pa pwede siya. Isa-isa na tayo lang. Tapos sabay-sabay.
Next in line, you got number 16, Nova Tennis. Next, we have number 31, Nathaniel Kavantak.
You big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing.
Ryan Aquavo. 4.
Buddy, you're a nomad, pro-man, playing with your eyes, got my fingers on beats, you got money on your face, big disgrace, somebody better put your bag into your knees.
Okay, MG's model car. Front coast. Quarter turn. Right quarter turn. Again, to your right. Is front. Dennis. Any comparison?
You big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place.
Guys, go backward muna para mag-call out kami sa inyo.
Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Please to the judges. Okay, number 13 and 16. Sa side mo na kayo. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Face to the judges. Play number 1. Join to the lineup. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Face front. Okay. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Quarter turn to your right. Face to front.
16, 50. Player 2-1, 40, number 1, post down.
You big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing.
Okay, thank you, athletes. You may now exit the stage. Thank you very much.